Good afternoon. I'm David Kramer at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. Starting off for the remainder of today, way out in the east, we have a low pressure system approaching the eastern Gulf that is starting to bring rain to southern parts of the Panhandle. As we move along the Gulf Coast, we do see some isolated snow showers lingering around the Kachmak Bay area and down around Kodiak Island. Then as we move out to the west, underneath high pressure out of the Bering Sea, much of the area void of precipitation. However, around the Alaska Peninsula, there are some isolated areas of snow showers. Then moving up along the west coast, northern parts of the YK Delta, snow is starting to develop and extending up along the coastline all the way up to the Arctic coast, where the snow starts to mix with some stronger winds, producing some blowing snow conditions. Out throughout much of the interior and into the south central, void of precipitation underneath the effects of the high pressure. Moving into tonight, some fog will start to develop underneath that high pressure, and as we move up along the Arctic coastline, snow and fog will be all the way along the Arctic coast with some blowing snow conditions mixed in there as well. Down along the west coast of the state, isolated snow showers will linger until we get to the Bristol Bay area, where high pressure will keep precipitation out of the area. As we move into the Aleutian Islands, starting to see some snow showers in the eastern Aleutian Islands, mixing with rain as we get into the central and western Aleutians. As we move into the south central, some blowing snow conditions in the Thompson Pass area and fog in other places around the south central. Then in the Panhandle area, we do have some snow up to the north, mixing with rain as we get further to the south. Then into Tuesday, that rain-snow mix will move to the southern parts of the Panhandle, but the northern parts will be void of precipitation. Blowing snow conditions will last through Tuesday in the Thompson Pass area, and fog will linger around, especially in the morning hours, throughout much of the south central. Into the interior and places further to the north, a mixture of snow and fog will linger around, and along the Arctic coastline, stronger winds will produce blowing snow conditions up there. Along the western coast, snow and fog will also be present until we get down into the YK Delta area and Bristol Bay area. And then as we move into the Aleutian Islands, a mixture of rain and snow expected there. As we move into Wednesday, that mixture of rain and snow will push further into the Bering, with some areas of rain starting to come in from the south behind another frontal system. As going to the southwest part of the state, snow will become dominant in the Bristol Bay and YK Delta areas, and then snow showers up along the west coast to include areas of the upper Yukon Valley extending up to the eastern parts of the Arctic coast. Southern parts of the interior will be void of precipitation. Much of south central will as well, until we get down to the southern parts of the Kenai Peninsula, seeing some snow there. And around the Yakutat area and some isolated areas in central parts of the Panhandle, some isolated snow showers expected. With Alaska statewide weather, I'm David Kramer.